Hi my friend, this is an update to this video from April 2021. Currently the pricing in Figma looks like this, and there are these pricing plans, but Figma announced that it will change a little. Actually it will change a lot, because currently the free starter plan allows you to invite one more editor to your team. So there are up to 2 editors at a team, and Figma promises that it will eliminate this limitation, and in the starter plan you will be allowed to invite as many editors as you want. So this is actually pretty cool, but Figma didn't announce the date when this will become true. So now I just update this lesson and I don't know the date, so probably there will be some time frame when you might watch this video when Figma already changed the plan and I haven't updated the lesson yet. So if it is so, you can still watch the video. You will understand that if I'm talking about these limitations of 2 editors, that it's already gone, but everything about other plans probably will still be true. So I encourage you to watch this lesson to the end, because there will be some tips how to avoid overspending on these paid plans and so on. So now let's go to the video and hope that Figma will launch this change soon. And now let's talk about pricing in Figma. Actually, Figma is a free tool, but if you need some more options, there are some payment plans. So how to get there? Let's look at the plans. I'm at figma.com right now, and now I'm going to pricing page. figma.com/pricing, and now I see 3 plans: free, professional and organization. By default we're on the starter plan and we are good with it. Actually it's enough for you to do anything that we study at our course. But if you need some extra features, you can upgrade. So let's see the difference among these plans. What do we have in a free, professional and organization plan? Actually, before we speak about some functionality and about prices, we have to understand what we pay for and how we pay. We pay for teams in Figma, and this is very important to understand, that you don't pay for your account, you don't pay for something you created, you pay for teams. Now I'm going to the app and I'm at my teams page. Here you see 4 different teams: smart banners, banners for projects, and in my team and demo team. Each of these teams can be either paid or free. So you pay for the team, not for the project. You don't pay for just your account. So if you have 4 different teams, 2 of them can be paid and 2 of them free, or all of them can be free, or all of them can be paid. So you can be invited to some team that is paid, and you can pay for other members at your team. And some of your teams can be free. So let's go back to the pricing plans and see the difference among them. So what do we have at our free plan? We have 3 projects and up to 2 editors. This means that if you have a free team, you can collaborate only with one another person. If you give access to another people, they either will be viewers or you have to upgrade your pricing plan. Let's try it. I'm moving back to my app and I see that there are 2 members in this team. I want to invite someone else. I will type another email and I want to give editor access to this account, and I press send invite. Now I see a notification. upgrade to professional. As long as I have a free plan, I am allowed to have only up to 2 editors in this team. This says that invitation was sent to the email, but the person who will accept the invitation will have only viewer access until I upgrade this team. And if I go to this team and I want to invite some members, I will do the same. And I put editor access. So as you see, there is no that notification, and my invitation was sent. So this is how it works. You pay for team. And this is a very important notice that you have to be aware of, because once I paid 60 extra bucks because I didn't know this. If you are administrator of your team, if you pay for this team, this means that you pay for all editors in this team. So once I created a team, I invited people there, and it was on a paid plan, of course, because there were a lot of people. And at that time, I thought that each person pays for him or herself. So I didn't know that I have to pay for all of these people after all. So be careful if you use paid plans. Okay, let's go back to our pricing plans and let's see what professional gives us. Since we pay for the professional plan, we get unlimited projects and we get unlimited version history. At the free plan, we have 30-day version history. This means that if you make some changes and then you want to revert them, to cancel them, you have only 30 days to do this. Actually, I think that this is more than enough, because when 30 days pass, usually you don't remember what did you do at that time, and usually it's more than enough. I use free plans at some projects, I use paid plans at another, and I didn't come to the situation when I had a limit of version history and it was some point of problem. So I don't think that this is very important, but if you work at some company and you collaborate with many people, maybe this will be important for you. And one more thing, this doesn't mean that some of your files are deleted after 30 days. No, everything is kept forever until Figma works. But you just can't cancel the changes. You can't revert changes that you made more than 30 days ago. So what else do we have at professional plan? We can set custom file user permissions, so we can set some permissions to one file or to another. And the free plan, all users has access to all the files of the team. At professional plan, we have to invite people into projects. And you get shareable team libraries. So you can create libraries and share them across your teams. And let's move to organization plan. Actually, this is for big companies, and as you see, there are a lot of complicated words over here. So if you need this, you will probably understand that your company needs this organization plan, but usually you don't need this unless you are a big company. Okay, so here at this page you can compare the plans. There are some other features and options explained here. What is the difference among all these plans? You can read FAQ and so on. Okay, so let's repeat once again. In Figma you pay for teams, and you can be member of one free team, and you can be a member of another paid team, and you can pay for another team by yourself. But since you pay for some team, make sure that you understand that if you give editor access to any account, to any user, you will pay for this user in your team. That's it. And let's look how to upgrade. Actually, we have a team and we have this button upgrade. This is shown only if you are at the teams section. So I press this link. I'm at the Teams section and I want to upgrade it. I have two options, professional or organization plan. I choose professional, upgrade to professional. And what do I see here? I have two editors, 12 bucks, seat, month. But I want to pay monthly. In this case, I have to pay 15 bucks per each seat. Let's change it to 3 and continue to payment. As you see, there is 45 bucks. When you enter your payment options, payment details, you will be all set. And if you choose annual plan, you will have all amount to pay right here. This is all with pricing, and as I said, you can use Figma for free, and this is fulfill all your needs until you need some more collaboration. When you need it, you can upgrade, but now you can perfectly work on your free plan.